Hi, my name is Paul Kim, and I'm doing a presentation on DNS domain name systems, and this is for Business 100. So basically, the domain name system, its main function is to translate domain names into IP addresses, and why they change into IP addresses is because they need to notify the computer in the computer's language to connect us clients into the right server, and in doing that, we actually the computer actually translates the domain name into an IPv4 format. So this is actually a very traditional format where it has a 32-bit address. So um, it can be used as an IP standard because it is used to communicate between um, the the servers and the computers in the system, where they can notify each other on which locations it takes. So if you think about it, DNS is kind of like a phone book because it has a lot of the addresses in it, and it shows all the different locations that you can go to. And so with all these other choices, with all these choices that you have, you can say that the domain system is a um, it's decentralized naming system for computers, services, or other resources connected to the internet or private network. So if you think about it, every website has a domain name or a server that has a database. So for example, let's say you type in google.com, right? The protocol is to read the domain name and translate it into the IP address, right? So since this website has its own server and its own database, in where it can grab the data and to show you what it actually is, you need to type in google.com, and the computer does it itself. This is a protocol, so it is a procedure which the computer already knows automatically what to do. So an IPv4 format, for an example, is, let's say you type in google.com, it will come out as a couple numbers and periods. So like 98.415.18.216. So yeah, something like that is a good example of what an IPv4 is. And there I can go into further of how you can actually find out where to find what IPv4 you may have for your computer, or for your router, or for any server or client, because we all have a location, or not we, but devices all have a location in which other computers can network and track